Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about adjectives. Adjectives are words which describe nouns. They tell us more about the nouns. For example, tall girl. Here the word tall is an adjective and the word girl is a noun. Let us take one more example. Woolen socks. Here the word woolen is an adjective which tells us more about the noun socks. So, adjectives tell us more about the noun, like its quality, quantity, number, order, position, etc. Let us understand different kinds of adjectives. Adjectives are of 8 kinds: quality, quantity, number, demonstrative, distributive, interrogative, possessive, and proper. Let's understand each of these kinds in detail. First kind is adjectives of quality. Adjectives of quality tell us what kind of person or thing is. These adjectives tell us the quality of a noun. They answer the question of what kind in terms of its quality, shape, size, color, taste, etc. Let's understand how to use these adjectives in sentences. First example, Reena has curly hair. What kind of hair? Curly hair. India is a big country. What kind of country? Big country. Let's try to find adjectives of quality in the following sentences. First sentence, he is a clever boy. Second sentence, Japan is a developed country. Third sentence, this box is heavy. Fourth sentence, rotten vegetables smell bad. Let's understand adjectives of quantity. These adjectives tell us how much of a thing or noun. These adjectives answer the question how much. For example, same, any, little, much, plenty of, etc. Let's understand how to use these adjectives in sentences. First example, little milk is left in the jar. How much milk is left in the jar? Little milk. I thought I had plenty of time. How much time? Plenty of time. Let's try to find adjectives of quantity in the following sentences. First sentence, she eats a whole apple daily. Second sentence, there is no milk in the glass. Third sentence, all students have passed the exam. Fourth sentence, he has enough money to buy the books. Let's move on to adjectives of number. Adjectives of number tell us about a definite number or an indefinite number. These adjectives tell us the order. They answer the question, how many? Example, 21, 3, etc. Few, some, several, etc. First, second, third, etc. Many, few, 1, 5, etc. Let's understand how to use these adjectives in sentences. For example, Lolo has few friends in London. How many friends? Few friends. Sasha has 2 cats. How many cats? 2 cats. Let's try to find adjectives of number in the following sentences. First sentence, there are 10 students in the class. Second sentence, I wrote many letters to you. Third sentence, Saturday is the last day of the week. In this sentence, we have to find the order. Fourth sentence, he is first to join sports in the class. In this sentence also, we have to find the order. Let's move to the fourth kind of adjective, which is demonstrative adjective. Demonstrative adjectives are used to specifically describe the position of something or someone in space or time. These adjectives tell us which person or thing. They answer the question, which. For example, this, that, these, those, such, certain, etc. Let's understand how to use these adjectives in sentences. First example, that book is mine. Which book is mine? That book. So that is demonstrative adjective and book is the noun. Second example, those girls who are sitting on the benches are my friends. Which girls? Those girls. So here, those is the demonstrative adjective and girls is the plural noun. Try to find demonstrative adjectives in these sentences. First sentence, these mangoes are rotten. Second sentence, I can't forget that incident. Third sentence, this pen is smoother than that pen. Fourth sentence, I want those toys. Let's move on to the fifth kind of adjective, which is distributive adjective. Distributive adjectives tell us of one thing or person taken separately out of a whole group or class. For example, each, every, either, neither, both, etc. Let's understand the use of distributive adjectives in sentences. We planted saplings on each side of the road. In this sentence, each is the distributive adjective. Second example, Mishti could buy neither of them because she did not bring money. In this sentence, neither is the distributive adjective. Try to find distributive adjectives in these sentences. First sentence, either option sounds good to me. Second sentence, he gave a bread to every dog at the park. Third sentence, both of you are invited in the birthday party. Fourth sentence, is there any water left in the jar? Let's move on to the interrogative adjectives. These adjectives are used for asking questions. For example, what, which, whose, who, etc. Let's understand how to use these adjectives in sentences. First example, whose pen is this? In this sentence, whose is the interrogative adjective and pen is the noun. Let's see another example. Which tree is the tallest? In this sentence, which is the interrogative adjective and tree is the noun. Let's try to find interrogative adjectives in the following sentences. First sentence, what book are you reading? Second sentence, whose car is this? Third sentence, Which team are you a member of? Fourth sentence. Which movie do you want to see? Let's move on to possessive adjectives. These adjectives show possession or belonging. Possessive adjectives are always followed by a noun. These adjectives answer the question whose. For example, my, mine, our, your, his, her, their, its, etc. Now, let's understand how to use these possessive adjectives in sentences. First example, this is my idea. Whose idea? My idea. In this sentence, my is the possessive adjective which is followed by the noun idea. Second example, we follow our customs and rituals. Whose customs and rituals? Our customs and rituals. In this sentence, our is the possessive adjective which is followed by the noun customs and rituals. Let's find out possessive adjectives in these sentences. First sentence, is that your wallet? Second sentence, this is his car. Third sentence, its teeth are very sharp. Fourth sentence, in the morning, Ayan took her bag. Let's move on to the eighth kind of adjective, which is proper adjective. Proper adjectives are formed from proper nouns, especially from names of places and persons. Proper nouns are always capitalized, and hence proper adjectives which are derived from proper nouns should also be capitalized. For example, Swiss chocolates. Here, Swiss refers to the name of a country, Switzerland, and the word chocolates is a plural noun. Let us take one more example. Shakespearean drama. The word Shakespearean is derived from the name of a famous writer, William Shakespeare. This word is used to relate to William Shakespeare or his writings. The word drama is a noun. Let's understand how to use these adjectives in sentences. First example, my mom bought a Japanese doll. The word Japanese tells something more about the noun doll. It tells us that the doll is from a place called Japan. So, in this sentence, Japanese is the proper adjective and doll is the noun. Next example, the Russian delegate has arrived for meeting. In this sentence, the delegate belongs to Russia. Russia is a country. So, in this sentence, Russian is a proper adjective and delegate is a noun. Let's try to find proper adjectives in the following sentences. First sentence, Andrew is an Australian player. Second sentence, the Chinese dumplings are the best item on the menu. Third sentence, Belgian chocolate cookies are very tasty. Fourth sentence, rice is the staple food in many Asian countries. I hope this tutorial helped you to understand what are adjectives and what are the differences between a few of the types of adjectives.